Guys, I found a new AI tool that gives you fast access to
so
good
much
models to generate your
more
AI
than words
videos
can
like
say.
this. Models like Seedance 2.0, Grok AI, and even Kling AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started using this new AI tool, okay? If it's your first time here, my name is Joy, and on this channel, I create videos about YouTube growth tips, AI tools to help you create content, get monetized, and of course, stay consistent on your channel. So if this is what you like, you can go on and join the family by subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also share to other creators. And of course, don't forget to leave me a wonderful comment in this video. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive right into this video, guys. So guys, to access this platform, all you have to do is to come over to Chrome and just search for Oi AI. Okay, look at it right here. Oi AI. That's the name of the platform. Okay, now this is the one with the pink logo. Just click on it and it will open up, right? Now when it opens up, you have to go ahead and sign in if it's your first time using the platform. Okay, look at it, say good morning director. So yeah, it will ask you for Google sign in, and you can just go on and sign in using your Google account. I'm signed in already. To just ask you a few sign up questions like how did you hear about the platform and all of that. You can just say YouTube, like what do you want to use the platform. You say director, choose your role and begin. So I'll just choose animator for this. You can actually choose anything you like. This is just a few questions to get to know you, right? And of course, yeah, we're signed in already. You can just remove this. So let me show you the platform before we start generating our video. Okay, before we start generating, make sure you are using the desktop site. Okay, just click on these three dotted lines at the top of your browser and look for request desktop site. Are you seeing it? This one, request desktop site. It helps the platform to show you all the interface you need to see. Okay, now I'll just go back to the home feed. We're currently signed in, and presently this platform is giving out 200 credits to new subscribers or to new users. Okay, you can actually use this 200 credit to generate your videos and your images. Okay, if you click on this icon, this bell icon, this is just notifications for their events and happenings around the platform. Okay, now we already have our 200 credits. Okay, these are the plans that they have on this platform. They have the base, which is like the $15 per month, and the others are here. So when you like the output on this platform, you can go on and subscribe to their plan. Okay, so this 200 credits is just a starter to test the platform and of course know if you like it or not. So to generate our videos, we'll just head over and click on this. Okay, click on this agent and it will show you all the models they have for both image generation and video. As you can see, there's image generation here. So there's GPT image 2, there's Nano Pro, Mid Journey, and Nano 2, even C Dream. They are all here to help you generate your images. Then for the video, we have Seedance 2.0 Pro, but on this platform is premium. So yeah, we'll look at the we'll look at the free ones that this platform is offering. This is premium. If you want to use this, you have to subscribe to the platform premium plan. Okay, so we'll just scroll down and look for the one that is free. Now Grok Imagine 1.5 is free on this platform. That is, you can test it with the credit you are giving on this platform. Okay, Happy Yours is also premium. They have, that's why they have crown on their head. Are you seeing it? It means they are paid on this platform. So when you scroll down, you see some other models that you can test, like Halo 2.3 Pro. You can test Kling 1, and you can test Seedance 1.5 Pro, of course. Do you understand? So we can just go on and try out Grok 1.5 and see what this platform is going to generate for us. Okay, now for the styles, you can go on and select any styles you want depending on what you are creating your videos for. Do you understand? There are different formats, different styles here, and they all look really good. Okay, so this is basically everything you need to know. Now this is where you select aspect ratio. Okay, are you seeing it? So this is where you select your aspect ratio, and I'll just go ahead and upload the picture. Let's go ahead and upload the picture first before we pick our aspect ratio. Okay, you click on it, click on photo library and look for a picture you want. So I already have my picture here. I'll just go on and paste a prompt. I can just say let him tell her how much he loves her. Okay, I don't want to do too much for this. You can use your already made prompt, or you can generate another prompt in ChatGPT or any other AI assistant, and then you can tweak it to fit the script or the story you are trying to tell people about. Okay, this is just showing you how to use the tool. Okay, I can just say let him tell her how much he loves her. Let him tell her how much he loves her. So yeah, I just put my prompt. I can just say let him tell her how much he loves her, and of course we're using Grok AI, as you can see already, and then we'll click on this place to select the aspect ratio. So it's 16:9. Then for the time duration, 5 seconds is preferably okay because that's what the platform offers as the default. Do you understand? Now for the resolution, we can actually leave it at 720. We'll just leave that setup. The setup is very okay. I want high quality for this. Now to generate it, we'll need 60 credits. Remember, we have 200 credits from the platform. So we'll just go on and click on send, and then we'll wait for it to generate. Okay, so this is basically how to use this platform. You can use it to generate your videos. You can also use it to generate your images. In order for you to minimize your credits on this platform, you can actually generate your images maybe using ChatGPT or Gemini AI, since those other ones actually gives you ability to create pictures. Okay, now this is it, the image, the video is generating, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and if you have more questions, you can let me know in the comments. And yeah, guys, the video has finished generating. Okay, we'll just click on these details so I can play the video. Okay, and then we'll scroll sideways to see the video. Now this is the video. I'm using a phone, so the interface is pretty very small. I'll just have to be dragging to and fro to move it. Okay, or you can just flip your phone back to portrait so you can see it, and yeah, just hold the video to download it. Okay, make sure you download the video, and then you can just flip your phone to portrait in case you are unable to play the video like this. Okay, look at me, I just did that. Flip it to portrait, and this is the video. So this is the video, guys. You can just flip your phone to portrait to see it properly. Now this is it. Let's play it and see.
I love you so much, more than words can say.
Are you seeing how beautiful it looks? It looks so natural, the close-up shots and everything. You can just go on, when you're done reviewing it, you can just go on, download it, and you can go on to the next scene. Okay, this is how you generate videos using this platform. Okay, do wait to try it and let me know how it is in the comment section. Okay, guys, you've seen it. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.